Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the top 5 best dash cams on AliExpress for 2026. Dash cams are essential for road safety, insurance evidence, and recording unexpected events. In this video, I will compare these dash cams based on features, performance, and value to help you choose the best option for your car. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's begin. Number 1. Fitcamx 4K Dash Cam for Land Rover. This dash cam is tailored for Land Rover, Range Rover Sport, Vogue, HSE, and other models. It has an OEM-style installation and records in 4K resolution. The Fitcamx dash cam integrates perfectly into the Land Rover interior and offers crisp 4K video quality. It looks like a factory accessory and provides reliable recording for daily driving and long trips. Pros: OEM-style fit and finish. Excellent 4K video quality. Designed specifically for Land Rover models. Number 2. WOLFBOX I07 Dash Cam 3-channel. The WOLFBOX I07 is a 3-channel system with front, rear, and interior cameras. It supports 4K resolution, wide field of view, Wi-Fi, GPS, and WDR for improved low-light performance. This dashcam is ideal for full coverage. The additional interior camera is beneficial for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants complete protection inside and outside the vehicle. Night performance is strong, and GPS helps with location tracking. Pros: triple camera coverage, wide field of view, good low light performance, GPS and Wi-Fi included. Number 3. 2025 new DDPAI Dash Cam Z50 Pro 4K. This dash cam has 4K UHD recording, a 3-inch IPS display, built-in GPS, ADAS features, Wi-Fi, and 24-hour parking monitoring. It supports dual channels for front and rear recording. The DDPAI Z50 Pro offers excellent video clarity and a built-in display for easy setup and playback. ADAS functions add extra safety alerts during driving, and the parking monitor is helpful when your vehicle is parked. Pros: excellent 4K video quality, built-in screen for easy use, GPS and ADAS features, 24-hour parking monitoring. Number 4. ARB 4K Wi-Fi Dash Cam for BMW. Designed specifically for select BMW 3 Series and 4 Series models, this OEM-style dash cam integrates seamlessly with the interior. It features 4K recording, Wi-Fi support, and loop recording. This dash cam blends into the car's cabin, giving a factory look. Video quality is sharp, and Wi-Fi makes it easy to manage footage. It is ideal for BMW owners who want a discreet dash cam without bulky hardware. Pros: OEM design looks factory installed, high-quality 4K footage, easy Wi-Fi connection. Number 5. REDTIGER A4 Dash Cam front and rear. This is a dual-channel dash cam with 4K front recording and 1080p rear. It supports Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, loop recording, and 24-hour parking mode. The REDTIGER A4 delivers clear front footage during the day, and the rear camera provides additional coverage. The Wi-Fi connection lets you download videos directly to your phone without removing the memory card. Overall, this is a good budget-friendly option for dual camera protection. Pros: 4K front camera, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, dual camera coverage, good price for features. Here are the top 5 best dash cams on AliExpress for 2026 ranked. Number 1 overall is the Fitcamx 4K dash cam for Land Rover owners. Best 3-channel option is the WOLFBOX I07 Dash Cam. Best all-around feature set goes to the DDPAI Z50 Pro 4K. Best OEM style for BMW is the ARB 4K Wi-Fi Dash Cam. Best budget dual camera choice is the REDTIGER A4. Before you buy, make sure to check vehicle compatibility and use a high-capacity SD card for optimal recording. If this review helped you, please like and subscribe for more reviews.